Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the Firebase series. In the last two videos, we have covered a lot of things of the Firebase, like how to create the Firebase and configuration your Firebase. Also, we log in the user anonymously. In today's video, we are going to know how to create the user and log in the user and sign out the user. And also after that, I will show you how to integrate the social login and your React Native project. So let's start with the practical. So this was the anonymous login function. So now we are going to know how to create the user first with the email and password, and then we are going to sign up that user and our account. So for that we are going to the Firebase. So this is our Firebase. Just click on the Firebase setting and just click on your sign up methods. So we only enable the anonymous login. So just click on the add new provider and just click on the email and password and just enable and saved. So we enable the provider of the email and password. So now we are going to the documentation. So this is our documentation. It say first import this. So I already import the auth from the React Native Firebase auth. So we don't need this. So we only need this function. So first I'm going to create the one function const. So we need a sync also. It will be a try catch method. First try. And now I'm going to call the auth. This is the function also create user with email and password. And now we are going to just type the name also, test. We can type the password. And then we can just print the response. So let's call this function also. Just copy this function. Let me format it. So this is my function. So let's call the function in your on press. So this is my on press. So I already run my rectotron also. So press on the continue. So see we have, so we create the user also. Let's say it's our refresh token. See, and now we are going to the Firebase. So this is our Firebase. Let me reload it. So now it show the user also. Users, we can see this is our user test1. This is our user. We create the user. So now we are going to log in this user also. So let me create another function const. And let me set and now we need the auth also in function, and thus we only need the after the auth. So this is our auth. So we only need to log in the user. So let's come here. For the login, we have sign up with the email and password. Just copy like sign up. Just type here. It will become sign up with the email and password. So this is my function we are calling, and just copy our just copy this also, password also. In the first you should write your username. In the second you can pass your password, and then we we need a response also. If we have any response, I will print the response also. Login response. We should know the response. And now error. So let's call this function also. Let me organize my code. So let's copy this function and just come here. So let's see. Let me remove these things. First, we are going to click. Let's click the button. So see, we get the response of the login response. See, this is our user UUID, and this is our user, and this is the refresh token. So let me. So now so let's go in the Firebase. We have login or not? So this is our Firebase. Let me reload this. So now you can see. So this is our UUID. Just copy your UUID and just come here and just paste it and just search it. So this is our user. See, we log in this user, and this is the time, and this is the creating time, this is the sign in time. So this is the login with the email. So now I'm going to show you how to sign out the user also. This is our Firebase. So just come here. So this is the sign out function. So let's go to our. So let's create the function first for the sign out. This is my function name, sign out user call. And now we are going to pass the auth dot sign out. So let me auth dot sign. In the sign up method, we do not pass anything, like we are passing in the create account in the sign up account. So just now, then we should also print the response also. So let me log. So let's type sign. And now we are going to catch if we face some error. So we should know about the errors also. So let's copy this function, come to your button, paste it. See, status code is 200. If you get the 200, it means you are successfully log out this. The sign up method will give you a null value. In this video, we create the user first, and then we sign up the user, and then we sign out the user also. In the next video, I will show you the social login also, and also how to log in with the phone number. So for now, bye bye, and see you in the next video.